I'm glad that, of course, I'm glad that now the impeachment complaints against me have been are finished.
Laking ginhawa kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. nang ideklara ng House Justice Panel na insufficient in substance ang impeachment complaints na inihain laban sa kanya. Ayon kay PBBM, kung tutusin, abala lamang sa kanyang trabaho ang mga naturang reklamo.
I'm happy it's done and we can get on with our work, because these things are distractions from the things that we were doing.
Sa naturang impeachment complaints, inakusahan si PBBM ng graft and corruption, culpable violation of the Constitution at betrayal of public trust.
Ayon pa sa Pangulo, noon pa man ay alam na niyang walang matibay na basihan ang inihaing impeachment complaints at isa lamang itong pamumulitika.
Although I wasn't very worried because I saw the impeachment complaint and I knew that I would be all right in terms of the impeachment kasi wala naman, there were no real grounds for the impeachment. It was a political move.
Mr. President,
As usual.
Tumanggi na ring magbigay ng pahayag ang Pangulo ukol naman sa inihaing impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay PBBM, ipaubayan na lamang ito sa Kamara na siyang didinig sa naturang reklamo.
Now, I have no reaction. Hindi ko trabaho yan. Trabaho ng House. Pabayaan mo sila magtrabaho. I'm sure they will handle it properly. So, let's let them do their job.
Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.